Hey there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella and congratulations on placing your very first order as a new Avon representative. So today I'm going to show you how to utilize that $10 credit that Avon gave you for your first order being over $60. And so as you guys can see here, I'm currently in an Avon Now account. I'm using one of my newer representatives' account. She gave me access and let me use it so I can show you guys this process. So she's ready to place her order. As you guys can see here, there's a subtotal, shipping, tax, all that. And this is the order total. It's saying she owes $188.66 till we see the payment method that you want to use. You should see here that it says Avon available credit $10. If you don't see that there, it's probably because the credit has already expired. Avon does allot 2 campaigns that you can use this. So the 2 campaigns after you place your first order. So if it's been more than 2 campaigns, then unfortunately the credit has already expired. And if it hasn't been 2 campaigns and you don't see it, then go ahead and give Avon a call to see if they can give you the credit back. But what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click here, click continue, because you want to use that credit towards this payment. Continue, and then you will see here payments entered $10, amount due, and it deducted it by $10. Then you'll just select your other payment method, which I'm sure will be a credit card or your PayPal account, and then just go ahead and submit that order. So congratulations again on your very first order with Avon. You want to remember, since you are a new representative, you want the subtotal up here to be at least over those $200 since you are in the Pathway to Premier program, so you can continue to get your $20 bonuses, okay? And if you have no clue as to what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and leave the Pathway to Premier program overview. It's a video where I just talk about the program and how you can earn bonuses as a new Avon representative. I'll go ahead and leave that link down below because it's super important that you do understand what that program entails and how you can earn as much as possible with Avon, okay? But thank you again for watching this video. My name is Marcella, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And of course, if I'm your mentor, you can go ahead and call me, text me, or email me, okay? Have an awesome day.